All right, so special thanks to UTechSmart for sending us this 4-in-1 USB Type-C Hub Pro. You can see USB 3.0 high speed, and the model is the UCN 3583-1. Top says make work life easy, just UTechSmart on the bottom, UTechSmart on the side, and same on that side. And then the back, user manual and 4-port USB Type-C hub. So let's open this up and take a look at it for you. So inside of this little box is our 4-port Type-C hub. Very nice. That's it for the box. So a little user's guide gives you a little bit of info of the speeds. So you can see the Type-C is up to 480 megabits. The Type-3 supposedly supports up to 5 gigs. You know, USB hub. Then this is the actual hub. So it has, wow, very nice build quality it feels. Yeah, it's made out of like titanium filling. Got the UTechSmart logo there, and that would plug right into a USB-C type device, and you would be able to have an extra USB Type-C plug, as well as 2 USB 2s and 1 USB 3 plug. So you would essentially turn 1 Type-C plug into 1 Type-C and 3 regular USB-A plugs. That's really what this would do. It would work with any Windows, Mac, Android, any USB Type-C device would be able to plug into here and read from this, whether you put in a memory card or a camera, whatever. So that'll do it for this unboxing of this UTechSmart 4-in-1 USB Type-C hub. Thanks again to UTechSmart for sending it to me to unbox and show you, and thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.